Hello and welcome, as it is the 23rd day of February 2018, and today is order book management day for me, as Bittrex will remove orders every 28 days, or after 28 days the orders become expired. So I go to the orders section on their webpage, sort it by date, and I looked at the January 28th, January 29th, February, all the way up to February 5th. And I managed all those. Some of them really did need attention, so it's pretty cool. It gives you some motivation to do what you really need to do. And also there were several occasions where it's like, yep, that's fine, and okay, let's delete a sell order for selling 100 at, say, 4,000, and let's insert a sell order for 100 at 4,000. That's a little tedious, but hey, so goes it. Geocoin, I talked about this last night. And within such, stage 1, band flattening out. That's really what it comes down to. 24,000 is the 18 average of lows. Taking a look at this on the 4-hour time frame. Actually, 2-hour will work better. It had this move. I pretty much sold this top, bought back at this 18 average of highs. Had I bought at the 18 average of lows, I probably would have sold that. But no, I bought here. I did sell at this low, and then I bought it back when it came down to the 18 average of highs. Nice little lift off, but back down in here. Again, what's important is holding and staying above this 24,000, which is, of course, what's necessary for the daily time frame. Stage 1, band flattening out. Stage 2 is establishing a level of resistance. I'd be looking for an area somewhere near about the 49,000 handle, up to about 50,000, of course, but anywhere in or near that level. Red coin, RDD. Stage 1, band flattening out. That did so 13th, 14th, 15th of February. Oh, we also got this little bit of this failed breakdown. No, it's happening more and more in these crypto spaces, where before a big up or down move, it'll have a small break of the support or resistance before going in the opposite direction. Okay, that's what we're seeing. As far as the technical analysis, when you have markets that go from like 10 Satoshi up to about close to 200, like a 17, 18, 19x gain, retracing, correcting through price, losing 3 times its value down to 65. You can profit on this volatility for very large amounts. Now, as far as the indicators are concerned, in here is price action within the 18. Band is barely starting to rise. We've already had stage 1 band flattened, stage 2 established at 1,000 or 108 rather. Stage 3 coming back to the band has been in place. Today's green candle is showing it's lifting off from such, shortening this baby out to the 4-hour time frame. After its first big move when it established resistance, it coming back did so within this time frame very nicely. It established good resistance at around the 94, 95 handle, and we can see over the last couple of periods how it's able to support within the level. So it does look very promising that red coin is going to do relatively well soon. Let's take a look at CRW, and we'll call it a day with a little bit of a shorter video, but you can expect more throughout the day. Okay. So within Crown Coin, we have these December lows and major established resistance at around the 34 handle. This is an alert that I have above the 30. I'm not going to mention why, but it's important for me to know if it crosses 31,000 Satoshi, so I have that in there. Failed move, fast move. There's a key support range. We can see the upper end of support is about 27.3. And the lower end of support was around 25, which is where we stand now. Even 25.6, but we stand at 25.1. So then, the last few days, what's the story here, Hardy Boys? Remember reading that as a child. I think they were a detective trying to discover the clues for what was going on. And they're also professional wrestlers too. But anyway, Is this going to be the case of either A, resisting a previous level of support where market movement has leg higher, sideways consolidation, and of course for reversal of trend, band flattening out? Okay, maybe this thing is reversing. Well, it's either that or it's failed move, fast move to the upside. That's generally the only way these patterns usually resolve themselves. And finally, silver is, well, still doing the same old thing it's been doing the last couple of years. I did accumulate a few more physical ounces of silver yesterday. I was able to pick up half-ounce coins, Canadian mint, at the same price practically as the 1 ounce coin. So I thought, I don't own many fractional reserve coins, and because of the fact they are so expensive, I pretty much don't buy it. So I thought, what the heck? And I'll be looking to buy more silver when Litecoin prices have some tremendous gains later this year. I look forward to the potential that cryptocurrencies can offer as we move to the end of this decade. Take care.